next question is from Zoot on YouTube. Hi. Really appreciate your time to explain your process. No problem, man. What chemical are you using in the ultrasonic cleaner? Zoot was looking at one of the videos where I was probably going to clean a carb stone. And what I was doing when I was at Cartridge is I had an ultrasonic cleaner that would fit my carb stone in it. And I would rinse it out really good with water, the carb stone, and then push gas through it to get all that beer out. And then I would submerge it in my ultrasonic cleaner, and I would put that through caustic, acid, and then a no-rinse sanitizer, all for the recommended temperature ranges and time, concentration, temp, all that stuff. Per the chemicals I was using standard brewery caustic, non-foaming. If you did foaming, it would get wild in a hurry. But I would run caustic for 20 minutes, rinse well. And then I would go with citric nitric acid, just the acid that we are running, our standard CIP acid. Run that for 20, get that rinsed. And then I would shake that thing with, I think ideally you would shake that thing with paracetic and then push that through. And then when you're building your tank, when you're spinning your paracetic cycle on your bright tank, you can just build it out and then blow it out and everything like that. But that's what I was doing. So recommended time, temperature, calcium or chemical concentration for 20 minutes a piece. On the sanitizing side, gosh, I'd have to look back, but it'd probably only be 5 or 10 minutes on the paracetic. But yeah, that's how I was shaking it, back in the day when I was rocking the ultrasonic cleaner. So yeah, appreciate the question, Zoot.